If you're seeking accommodation in Penang, Malaysia, Citadines Connect Georgetown is the perfect choice. The lobby offers fantastic co-working space, complete with complimentary coffee available all day. Situated in the heart of Georgetown, it's an ideal spot for walking to nearby tourist attractions. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. Very quick tour. Very nice. It smells fresh. I love a good smelling hotel. It smells really fresh. It's the bed. This is the lodge. This is outside. Open. There's only 2 floors in this hotel. Very nice. Got my TV. Ooh, they have a lot of hangers. You don't find that often when you stay in places in Asia. Okay, this is the bathroom. There's a shower. The rainfall. Very nice. This is the front. And a full-length mirror. I didn't book in advance and I paid $234 for 4 nights. Hi. Let's head to the rooftop because it's scorching hot in Penang. The hotel is conveniently located near grocery stores, shopping malls, restaurants, and night markets. Across the street is the Hin Bus Depot. It's a vibrant cultural hub housed within a restored bus depot dating back to the 1940s. It's been transformed into a creative space hosting art exhibitions, flea markets, workshops, and cultural events. The venue features an eclectic mix of art galleries, cafe, boutiques, and outdoor spaces, making it a popular destination for locals and tourists. This was the weekday, but on the weekends, with its laid-back atmosphere and dynamic artistic community, the Hin Bus Depot has become a must-visit spot for experiencing Penang's vibrant cultural scene. That's the incredible Kamtar Tower. Stay tuned for my upcoming video featuring this iconic landmark. Strolling the neighborhood with my travel sisters, we found this great restaurant, Third Alley, with delicious cocktails and live music. I thoroughly enjoyed my stay at the Citadines. The convenient location allowed for evening strolls, for the value was excellent. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, peace.